What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Financier Pro YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Breaking news. This is my freestyle video. The Apple Card now affects all three credit bureaus, so you better keep it up to date. Let's get into details. So 9 to 5 Mac is reporting that the Apple Card now affects your credit score with all three major U.S. credit rating agencies: Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. If you didn't know, you should know by now if you watch my channel. So this was spotted at a Reddit post. Reddit be having all the latest up-to-date information. Apple Card now reporting to Equifax. Yep, shown on my Equifax report today. Can confirm it's showing on my EQ file now, also retroactive reporting. One card user was puzzled by the fact that this resulted in a lower score. So those who track their credit scores regularly are seeing either a bump or drop in a score as a result of the Apple Card being added to their report. So that can mean that a new trade line is added to your report. It will eventually go back up once you start paying on it on a routine. That always goes down a little bit, or a couple points, from maybe 5 or maybe 20 points, depending on the utilization and things like that, history, everything accounts into that. And your credit score will go down, but it'll eventually go back up, and you will start looking good. Keep paying that on time. Knock it down to $3 or below 3%, 3 to 5% on your credit card, and you'll be good to go, guys. So if you have an Apple Card, those who track their credit scores, calculation of credit scores is based on 5 factors, like I just said: payment history, utilization, length of credit history, recent activity, and overall capacity. For example, an Apple Card without changing your spending habits means that you now have access to more credit. So more credit, utilization, boom, boom. Your points go down, but they will go back up in the sky like you love it. Great credit score, great history. It's all about the reports on the credit report, on the credit history. Make sure you study your credit reports every single week if you can. I look at mine every day because I'm connected on Identity Q or MyFICO, or you have all these free tools now with Apple, and even your credit cards have your credit reports on your app. So you guys comment below if you have. I know a lot of you got that Apple Card. I don't have Apple, so, but I love some Apple products. You guys comment below what you think about this. If you can add anything to it, subscribe. See you next time on Financier Pro YouTube channel. Personal finance, guys, and credit is important.